name is Mackenzo. I just want to say a very, very, very welcome and thank you to Saad. I appreciate you and everything you do. As you can see, I had my first trade right after, and I'm not even finished with it yet. So I appreciate you, Saad. Basically, he's a great guy. I was struggling first at Forex. I was doing YouTube, and they don't give you everything. So I learned how to do market correlation, trend lines, my stop loss, take profit, how to really understand pips and pipettes, EMAs, time frame correlation. I've learned everything, and I hate to say everything, but I've learned so many good things from this guy. He's amazing. He's awesome. He's one of a kind. He really cares about us. We have a free student group also, and it's amazing. Saad has hired people and himself, and he literally checks our charts for us when we post in. And everybody in the group's pretty nice, and just it's awesome. It's so awesome knowing that I can really be myself and be sufficient with just doing me and not having to work for a company. So I just want to say thank you to Saad, and this is amazing, guys. If you come into this group, if you come into this course, it's all free. But just know, Saad made this free out of the kindness of his heart. As you know, other YouTubers, they don't make it free. With that being said, if you guys give him an opportunity and give yourself an opportunity to do this, you need to give it all you got for him. Thank you.